In this video, I'm going to give you my token review over Ikura, and I'm going to give you 4 reasons why you should consider adding this to your portfolio. So let's go right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. First, let's start with what is Ikura. So I'm going to highlight this sentence right here. The Ikura platform allows investors of any sort to identify trends and understand the optimal moments when to buy or sell to maximize their returns. So that's give you an inkling of exactly what Ikura does. And so I dug up some information here, and the first one coming to mind when I think of Ikura is it has a low supply. 15 million tokens it does have. It have 10 million in circulation. It also have a 7 million market cap at the recording of this video. It is October 18, 2021, and it does have 674 hodlers. So when I go here, I see the hodler count 674. The price is very, very affordable. And when I look on Twitter, I do get this information as well. 15 million in terms of supply. It got over 600 hodlers. And then when I go here, I also see a 10 million in circulation. So this is very, very early, this project is, and it's got a lot more good things that's coming in the pipeline. So if I go to my number 2 reason is, it's the low fees on Harmony and Sushiswap. So how you get this token is, you need MetaMask to be able to have this. You need to have Harmony 1, Harmony mainnet on your MetaMask, and you can get Ikura added in this as well. And so when you do that, you'll go to Sushiswap and you'll be able to swap your 1 token to Ikura. And look at these fees. Look how low those fees are. And this is one reason why I got added into Ikura, because of the low fees, and it's easily to buy this as well. So that's number 2 reasons, the low fees, and its Sushiswap and Harmony is low as well. So my 3rd reason is, let me go down here. Ikura is now integrated with DEFikingdom, the largest Harmony DEX by TVL. And so when I do the information here, I got this the other day. Our journey is just starting, and we couldn't be more excited for what's coming next. And this is the information that comes out. DEFikingdom integration completed, and now you have another reason to be bullish on Ikura. So that's the number 3 reason. And when I go to the 4th and final one, is the potential earnings that Ikura provides. And when I go look at here, Ikura at 20 cents, now it's at 53 cents. These are the numbers to look at. It's up grand total of 33 cents. And this new coin, this coin is new. Just imagine what to come of this amazing coin. So when I go back over here, you can see the fact that, Ikura did drop in price, but it then went right back up here. And it's so early. It's so early. And when I go down here, I'm seeing all these transactions being done, and it's only 674 hodlers in this project. So once again, how do you get Ikura? Well, I do have the link in the description of how you can go ahead and get it on Sushiswap, but first you need to have it on MetaMask. So I'll have a video that breaks this down very simple and very easy. So those are the 4 reasons why I'm bullish. 4 reasons, and I'll go back and review. I'll go right back. The first one is, it's got a low supply, and it's got circulation only 10 million, 7 million market cap. It's got a lot of room to grow, 674 hodlers. The second reason is low fees on Harmony and Sushiswap. You just saw the fact of how low those fees were when you're using Sushiswap. The third one is Ikura is now integrated with DEFikingdom, the largest Harmony DEX by TVL. That's going to get more notoriety on terms of Ikura, and the fact that they're getting another, way of why you should be bullish on Ikura. And also the potential earnings, the fact that Ikura is growing each and every single day. And it's only 674 hodlers at the recording of this video. So those 4 reasons why I'm bullish on Ikura and why you should consider adding this to your portfolio. There are more reasons, but I just picked 4 of them that I'm really bullish on. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.